Good morning, students. So we are continue the topic of feature extraction. So here we will discuss the important features which has been used for feature extraction technique. Here we are focusing on those parameter which will affect or which will play a very important role in the feature extraction technique. So first is color, then texture, then shape, and then statistics. So we will discuss these one by one. So color itself is very important when we are taking picture. Means color means we are checking the intensity of pixels. We are checking the highest value of the pixel on that particular point. So on the basis of color we can also extract some feature. Texture is the means what is the form of image. Means image is in the grayscale form or is in the colored picture. So the texture of the image sometimes is very important role. Means when the texture was not appropriate, so it become difficult for the image processor to work on that image. So we have to extract feature. Means the distortion of the pixels are very more there where the picture is blurred, or maybe the proper texturing of the image is not done. So texturing is a very important parameter in feature extraction technique. Shape of the image is like we are suppose we are extracting the particular portion of eye from the face image. So if we are extracting some feature from that particular image, so shape means we have to plotted that area where we need to perform some extraction technique. So we have to work on the edges of that particular area. So this is called shape. And statistic is simply the value of the parameter, the value of the intensity, the value of the MSC, mean square error, the value of the PSNR, and the whether the values are discreted or not. Means the pixel value are discrete, are in the discrete form, or are in the normalized pixels are used there or not. So these are some statistics on which we are concluded that the efficiency of the image is achieved or not. Means what is the ratio of PSNR and MSE, means mean square error and peak signal to noise ratio. These are the important parameters which are inversely proportional to each other. Now suppose that if we have these four images and we need to extract feature from those images. So we are, yeah, here we are first identify the feature which you want to extract, and then you have to make some edges boundaries outline there, and you have to extract feature with those boundary, with those edges. So here we are using shape is an important parameter. So here we are extracting feature with the use of boundary detection and edge detection. So we can able to work on that particular area where the alignments are used. Now, classifiers, KNN classifier, neural network support vector machine, CNN classifier. These are the classifiers which are used in image processing. So, what is machine learning approaches? Image to non-image, and we will discuss two approaches here: image to non-image and image to image. So if we are working on image to non-image, means we have image and we have machine learning algorithms, and which are system that is already trained for something. So we can able to extract information, object detection and tracking, image recognition, classification. These are the example. Suppose that here we are dealing with the images. Here we are dealing with the images and with the text. Means if we are working on image and text, though this concept is known as steganography technique. Now here is the image to image, and when we deal with the image to image, So image retrieval and image enhancement is the important part. So what is the image enhancement? When we are working on the pixel value and increasing the possibility of increasing the reducing the possibility of noise and reducing the pixel distortion value. And what is image retrieval? When we are when we are using embedding technique in any images, so on the other side of receiver, image retrieval processes also have to be applied by using inverse transformation technique. So we can able to extract the image, we can able to retrieve the original image from the cover image, and we can able to extract those actual pixel value from the embedded image. So application, face recognition, face image. Suppose we have face image, we can pre-processing on that. We can able to extract feature from that, and we can classifier. We can able to use classifier on that. Then labeling is done. Many of the conventional methods are there to deal with the image processing and uh, feature extraction. Suppose we have one image and we have one input image, and we have so many images related to that input image. How we can able to perform some clustering and some classification technique? So we can able to use some features on which we can able to apply mapping, and we can able to use matching. On that concept, we can able to provide the output, maybe or 3 or 4 images that have some similarity with the input image. So these similarity depend upon the size of the image, depend upon the color of the image, depend upon the feature extraction from that image. So feature extraction is very important technique in image processing. We can able to find out the uh, identification of that particular person with the help of feature extraction. Thank you.